Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Tibaldi Goes Wonderworks, and we have an inbox review for you today. It's the US self-propelled anti-aircraft gun M42 Duster with 3 figures by Tamiya in 135th. It's a 135th Military Miniature Series number 161. This side has a date of 2019. Focus. As 2019, but take that with a pinch of salt. One camo option. The other side is a different option. Kit number is 35161. I bought this on Amazon the other week, so took a while to arrive. It's all sealed up though. Let's pop this open and have a look at the kit. I've got a funny feeling this is based on the Walker Bulldog. A suspicion. So you've got 1, 2. Yeah, it's got the newer style tracks. That's why it's got a 2019 on there, because these are the ones you don't have to hot glue together, weld them together. You can use some on them, some tet on them, I believe. So yeah, we've got the vinyl tracks. And the big giveaway. Yeah. It's got a date on it. 1975 to 2019. Yes. So obviously very familiar when I did the review of the Walker Bulldog. So nice suspension setup on the lower part of the hull. And then we have a couple of sprues there and some decals. So I'll put those to one side for the moment. And we'll have a look at the decal sheet. Obviously it's a modernised decal sheet. You've got 3 options here: US Army, Vietnam, Japanese Ground Self-Defense Force, and former West German Army. So building up the drive sprockets, building up the road wheels, and building up the idlers. There. Gluing these bits on. Again, some little bits, hints and options there. Fitting the drive sprocket and fitting the road wheels on here. That's the lower hull done. Upper hull. Fitting all these greeblies on here. These decks and that. Fitting the exhaust in there. Building up part of the turret. Building up the machine gun, the Bofors machine guns. Fitting them all in place. Obviously doing the option there. Obviously the figures. Painting up the figures. and fitting all the parts together. Obviously saying apply instant cement, so super glue the tracks together. Painting and marking, olive drab for the US Army one. These are all the details on this one. That's Japanese Self-Defense Force, Ground Force one, and West German one. Boom. That's the C version. There. Obviously they don't show the winter camo version. Interestingly. Hey ho. Right, let's have a look in the box. And the first sprue bag. No parts off the sprue. That's good. And we have got the B sprue. Now, obviously looking at this, we can tell it's quite an old kit. But should clean up quite nicely. Yeah, 1970, there we go. That sprue's got on it, so that's 55 years old. And this one, it's got all the wheels on it. Something's just dropped on the floor. Yeah, 1970 on that sprue as well. I'll pause it then. We're going to check to see what I've dropped. I don't think we need to worry about that because I just look on the floor, can't see anything, so it might have been something I knocked on the floor earlier. So this is the lower hull, which Tamiya do so well. This is again 1975, not 2019 it says there on the tooling. So obviously fit the wheels on there and job done. Bit of clean up needed on there. Little sprue injection ports there. Very nice too for its age, because it's very old. Let's get the decals out. Nice and thick. Obviously we've got those ones on there for the winter scheme. Rubber tracks we've looked at. And this is the A sprue. Again, big old lumps on this one. Again, not 1970 tooling originally. So yes, the tooling is older than me. Again, 1970 on the moulding there. Again, nicely set up for the bar bit, as it would be. So yeah, a little bit of an ejector pin to fill in there. Nice and simple, quick, easy and fun build. This looks like it will be. So that's the A sprue. And there we go. And finally, we have the Ickle figures. Again, you can tell their age, the way they're moulded. Again, 1972 here. Yes, there's a hell of a seam line down the legs, and the old figures do look a little bit zombie. Got a zombie like impression on there. Very sunken eyes. But you can do your, look at those chunky legs, those big boots. Obviously the machine gun, the rifles. Really cool. So that is a quick inbox review of Tamiya's 1/35 scale M42 Duster. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.